Yo, let's go. So we have here two HDMI splitters. We need two because I have two monitors. Here we have the USB switch to transfer the controls for the keyboard and mouse to whichever station that we choose. And here we have a lot of cables, mostly HDMI, some are for USB, micro USB to power our switch. We need all of that. Here we have the platform riser for the monitors where I laid out the stuff. I decided to use Velcro with adhesive so that the pieces won't move around, especially when we're trying to put the cables in or take them out. And yeah, my son has edited this video and he decided for the music. So it seems so chill, right? This is exactly the same music that I would use if my videos are about fishes and aquariums. So I finally set up everything. We have here my PC, the portrait monitor, my landscape monitor, and another station, which is the laptop. We have here the USB switch connected to the keyboard and the mouse that we can use to transfer the controls from PC to laptop. And here we have the HDMI splitter number 1 and number 2. This cable is from the PC and this one is from the laptop. It is connected to the landscape monitor. This one comes from the PC and this one is from the laptop connected to the portrait monitor. Here we can try testing transferring the displays and the controls for the laptop and the PC. So let's switch the HDMI switch 1 and switch 2. And do not forget the USB switch for the keyboard and the mouse. Right here I'm creating a document to demonstrate that we are using all the displays for the laptop here. We will be dragging this to the landscape monitor and also to the portrait monitor to prove that we are using both displays for the laptop. Now we can try for the PC. So let's transfer the controls for the keyboard and the mouse, as well as the displays for the PC. This is my desktop background for the PC. You will notice also that on the laptop, all the applications opened previously on the different displays have been moved to the laptop display. I'm just creating a document to demo the PC display. See, both displays are being used by the PC. Alright! Now we will try to split the displays for the laptop and the PC. Okay, so anyway we have two displays. But the USB switch for the controls of the keyboard and the mouse, we only have one. So we need to decide where to use it. See, my landscape is still on the PC, but my portrait display is with the laptop right now. The USB switch for the controls is still with my laptop. So see, I was able to drag it. So we have proved that this is working now. Actually, I've been using this for 2 weeks and testing it. I have not experienced any problems whatsoever. It's working. Thank you guys.